Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to average a point within Juniper's Unita using a GNSS receiver. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got my project open and I'm going to click on the orange plus in the bottom right corner, which is going to open up my select record type menu. I'm going to want to select my third option here, the point record type, and you can see here I can add a name for the point, or I can add a description, attachment, location, date and time, and whatever other fields you have associated with your point field. So I'm going to leave my name as point 1, but for my description, I'm going to put describe here. I know, very original. Once I have that entered here, I'm going to hit enter to save that description. I can also add an attachment like I mentioned. If I want to take a picture or add a form that I filled out in the field, I can do that here. And then for my location, what I wanted to do, as I said, is I want to take an average of a position, maybe try to get a little more accurate than just a single position using the update button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that average play button. And what will happen is you can see it actually begins to set a timer, which is going to take observations at set intervals, probably at the refresh rate of your receiver, which is normally about 1 hertz or once a second. Once I have a sufficient number of points average, what I can do is I can hit stop, and you can see here that it gives me a position and an elevation. Now I'm just using the internal GPS of my Mesa 3 here, so I'm not going to get a particularly great position, but the point still stands. That is how you average your points. So once I have all that information selected, I can also hit the move button here if I want to manually move that point. But since I took that average position, I'm reasonably certain I am where I think I am, so I'm going to leave my point as is and hit the save button here in the top right corner, and you can see I have this saved position at the point at which I stored this point. But for now, that is everything in today's video, and if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.